Does anyone notice in my videos how I like do this thing with my eyebrow where like one seems lower than the other? It's because like when I talk, I guess I do that number right there. Gosh, that's super weird. Now, I made another video of the 10 essential things to pack for East and Southeast Asia. This is more of if you have the bag capacity to bring some of these things, I definitely would. And the first item is a hiking backpack. If you can manage to carry all of your stuff in a hiking backpack, it will be so easy once you get to some of these countries. Multiple bags just doesn't really work well when you're having to take rickshaws or smaller taxis or even having to walk a really long distance to get to the place where you're staying. The second item is one of these blow up pillows. Now, mine's not blown up right now, but I use this thing not only on planes, but sometimes when I'd get to hostels and the pillow wasn't very comfortable, I've slept on one of those things before. It's also super helpful once you're in the country and you're taking local transportation where you know you just need to take a nap or else you're gonna blow chunks. So yeah, get a blow up pillow. The third item I'd recommend bringing is a power bank or some kind of portable charger. This one is by Rav Power, not sponsored. It's a solar power battery, so you can plug your phone into it, it charges it up. I think some of them even charge laptops. But if you're on the go a lot and there's not many outlets, you're gonna need a portable charger to charge your phone or your camera batteries or things like that. The next item is a passport case. Now, this hasn't happened to me yet, but I know plenty of people who have lost their passport or have had their credit card stripped. If you put something in a pouch like this, no one can get a hold of it. You just can wear it around your neck like this. Safety first. The fifth item, if you're gonna be traveling around Southeast Asia specifically, you're gonna want some snorkeling gear. It is some of the most beautiful water I've ever snorkeled in. And you always have to rent equipment when you get to the island, so if you just have your own, then that's one less thing you have to pay for. Another item related to snorkeling in beautiful water, you're gonna want some water shoes. Now, I wear Tevas. I know a lot of people wear Chacos. I'm sure there's other brands out there. I actually wear those shoes most of the day just because I don't know if I'm going hiking, if I'm gonna be going cliff jumping. Those are the most versatile shoes you can bring with you on a trip. Going back to technology again, I would bring a pair of headphones with you. You never know how long certain trips are gonna be, and so you might wanna zone out all the noise. Bring a pair of headphones. The last three things are all related, but I'll go through each one individually. Definitely bring motion sickness, travel sickness medicine, whatever you want to call it. Let's just say I've had my fair share of seasickness and buses going around rickety mountain roads. Number two, I would bring some kind of medicine for your stomach, something to clog you up. I don't know if that's Pepto for you or if it needs to be something a little stronger like Imodium. Get something in your stomach. And the last thing, if those first two fail, you're gonna want toilet paper. Now, I don't just recommend toilet paper from getting sick, but a lot of the times when you're traveling in Asia, they do not have Western style toilets, and so there's not toilet paper available. And if you like that Western comfort, what I do is I take all the toilet paper off the roll and smash it down in my backpack, and then I'll just bring that with me wherever I go, so I'm ready when I need to be ready. So those are the 10 non-essentials, but things I wish I would have packed when I was traveling around East and Southeast Asia. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you enjoyed watching this, make sure you subscribe below, like the video, turn on those notifications so you'll be updated anytime I upload other videos. Also check me out on Instagram, the link is in the description. See you guys next time.